you don't have an awesome life, it's probably because you had some goals, you had some dreams, and then you go, yeah, but I got married, but I had kids, bills and stuff. You get older, oh, pot belly, dad body. No, bro. Dad bod should not exist. You compromised, and therefore you allowed yourself to eat shit you emotionally ate. You stopped working out. You prioritized TV. The reality is you are compromising. If you want better health, if you want to make more money and have financial security, if you want to have a deep, meaningful relationship with your honey, but then you begin to compromise the things that you need to do to get there, and you negotiate them away because, well, I'm tired, because I don't feel like it. It's not realistic to be a millionaire or to be that lean at this age. It's not realistic. Who the fuck says you have